Writing good dialogue is really tough because you don't actually want it to sound realistic. What I mean is you don't want to write dialogue that sounds word for word the way people talk in real life. One of the most often overlooked aspects of really great dialogue is subtext. What's actually going on beneath the surface? Two or more characters are having a conversation, but they're not always saying everything that they're thinking. And context is everything. So this is a fun exercise I do with my creative writing workshop sometimes to show students just how important context and subtext are to dialogue. Take a look at this short bit of dialogue between two characters. As you read this, imagine these two characters. Where are they? What's the emotion, the vibe between them? What objects are around them? Are they sitting, standing, walking, running? What's the history between them? Are they strangers, friends, family, enemies? Let your mind build a short scene around these lines. Now, take 3 minutes to write that scene out, but don't change a word of the dialogue and don't add any new dialogue. Just give it some context. And the context that you give it is gonna bring out a whole lot of subtext in those lines. Now, here's the really important part. Share it in the comments below. You will be amazed to see how these same few lines of dialogue turn into so many different types of scenes. That's it for today's Fiction Fix It. Stay tuned next Friday for another short, fun, creative writing exercise. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to get notified every time I post a new video. And until next time, keep writing.